Hi vlog. Today, yo.
Pitches. Sorry.
Cookies. Sorry. It's really crunchy. Are you ready? That was good. That was good. Lemonade vlog. And I'm about. Listen, I have beef with places that have paper straws because they taste like doo-doo. But I have a plastic straw that I stole from somewhere else earlier in the day. Caliber. It's the sword from the stone. Yeah. Please test. Good? Did you get matcha or something?
Yeah. A vanilla matcha with oat milk.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Cheers. With your book. Pink. You know who this is? Tony Hawk. Yippee! This is
Chicken
fun.
Caesar.
What would you rate it?
Chicken, like 9 out of 10, low key. Caesar salad. I have had 2 bites, but so far it's like an 8, I guess.
Guys, any requests? I'm taking requests now.
Oh.
It's an egg, but I like an egg. But that's the thing, I like going like that. And it's like quick.
I'm trying to figure out how to make it loopy. But
Yeah, I like
I'm
the
just
loopy.
too
I like that too.
star light.
Your egg. Flour, sugar, vanilla, eggs.
This is not.
She did it. PB&J. PB&J's? That's such a smart name. Bubbles right in her face because the wind's going out of her face. Go to Paris.
I wanna go to Spain. I wanna lose my wallet and kiss whoever stole it.
Look, I'll make you a
You gotta put it under your pillow.
what?
For the dirt man. You know?
Sandman?
Nope. Trying to catch the seagull. Have you seen the thing where they put food in the middle and then a seagull comes and you trap it in the towel? I got a vanilla ice cream, half pina colada, half mango.
What'd you get?
Bubblegum and pina colada.
Okay.
Whoa. Laser.
If I throw it, can you catch it?
No. I was gonna say,
I'll aim
gonna
better.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay still. You have to aim. I need a wider stance.
Don't. Look at your. You're practically. Yeah!
It was the stance.
It was not.
That was so cool.
That's more like a microphone. That's pebbles.
Ready?
Oh wait, that's right. I'll make that.
I'm not holding that pose. Okay. Ready? Open your mouth more. What is that? Thank you, thank you. Why did you take Chica? Yeah. Whoa. Let's go.
Bacon, bacon, bacon.
It's bacon, bacon.
Bacon, bacon, bacon.
Okay. The stars shine. Can you zoom in? Lie. Over. The cow jumped over the moon. Lava. The stars, they align. That boy is
Zip it up all the way.
Needs what?
You didn't zip it up all the way.
I thought I did. What's up, chat? We're in
It
Solvang.
brings out, and it was so amazing.
Little Danish town.
He's like-
Little Danish
And I gotta
town.
make another one because that was my dinner.
Danish is so close to German that I feel like I'm
So
home.
I ate that guy's dinner. It was so
Why do you look
Because
like
he was making it
why
for
do you look like you were that?
That's all. Like she said, you
Achterman,
always
Achterman,
ask
Achterman, Achterman. Cool. Huh?
I find the restroom.
We're stealing Sawyer's
How
bit.
visible it is right now in the shade.
Still carrying it in her hands, even though she has a purse.
Because it's a fan. So we're stealing Sawyer's bit, and this is a captain's log. So we're just here to say that we're so excited to be here.
There was
in
a
Solvang.
really good looking pastry shop.
I
That
also
one
want
looked
ice cream.
really good.
That way, blue
I think
and
ice
white
cream's really
front.
good.
Was it that way with the blue and white front?
Vlogception.
It was how we went. Vlogception. Whoa. Oh, this way. It was.
We went that way.
ASMR.
Came back this way. Stopped at ice cream / chocolate.
What are you talking about? We're gonna do ASMR.
Ooh, I love ASMR. Really good.
I'm buying this for us. This is Spider. This is me. This is you. And this is Sawyer. So we're all gonna do temporary.
And you have to.
Twilight.
Where should
Yeah,
we
you
put it?
have to.
Where does it go?
I think all wrists, right?
I was just.
Yeah.
It's both.
Good day, good day. My name is Ami.
If we stop at more cafes, I'm gonna just collect it all and then we'll have a try haul in the car.
I'm gonna do my try haul right now.
Oh.
So I got a vanilla and a chocolate macaron in Paris. I was surprised. The chocolate macarons in Paris, not good. At least the ones that I tried. The vanilla ones, busted. But American chocolate macarons are busted. So what should I try first? 0 for presentation.
Really?
You're done. No, not 0. But look at that.
Okay.
Out of 10, it would
4.
be a 4.
I say.
You're right. It is more of a cookie texture. I would say France takes the cake on the vanilla macaron. But the chocolate, let's see. This is a 9 out of 10.
Really?
Look at the little edge on that side.
No, it's not
Over.
thinner.
That's what I'm saying. 9 out of 10. Ready? Top center. That does not taste like anything. It tastes like I'm eating really yummy cardboard.
Oh.
But like by cardboard standards, not like really yummy as in like this is really yummy, but in the standards of like if I were eating cardboard. A Home Depot cardboard box.
Okay.
Like I'm moving Utah, living it up, going to move to France to eat their macarons because they are better.
Not like a Vons or like grocery store like cardboard box. It's like
No.
good cardboard box.
You know, like an Amazon.
Okay.
This is an
I don't think Amazon's Prime cardboard.
It's Amazon Prime. They hung that ice cream cone.
I think it's like cereal, like malted, like malt balls or whatever.
Sherbet.
I'm starting to regret my choice. What? I said I'm starting to regret my choice. I We're gonna have a good try home in the car. Okay, wait, question. Question. Dark chocolate or milk chocolate? What do you think, Jack? Hey, Stacks. It's coconut. Coconut and dark or coconut and milk? Dark. Okay. My camera work might have been a little. Is raspberry macaroon, unnaturally green pistachio macaroon, strawberry blueberry lemonade truffle. And then we went to a little shop and I asked him which one he liked better. There was an espresso or a cappuccino, and he said the cappuccino because it's a little bit sweeter. It's not as bitter as the other one. And in that little shop there's a big bear wearing a big Hawaiian shirt. And we said, hey, what's his name? And he said his name is, what was his name? Truffles. His name is Truffles. And then we said, what's the little one's name? Because there's a little one on the high shelf. And he said, I don't know if that one has a name. And we're like, what would you name it? He said, no one's ever asked me that. I don't know. And so we were looking around the store and I was like, I would name it, what did I say, cluster? I would name it Cluster, because like we were looking at all the things. And everyone was like, Cluster? What? And he's like, that's what I was thinking. Like, his name's Cluster now. His name's Cluster. So now it's Truffles and Cluster.
I got 2. Count them 2. Milk chocolate. Sorry. Covered Oreos.
What'd you get?
Yeah, what do you get?
Insulting, but it's okay because I got freaking pistachio first.
Oh, good. Good. It looks like your socks. Hold on. Literally, both socks. Other sock too.
Wait, I could.
Isn't that crazy?
No, we didn't do.
That's uncanny.
So, the pistachio just kind of tastes like green. This is raspberry, and I have higher hopes because the filling is white. These already look prettier than yours, though. It tastes like pink vanilla.
That's what I'm saying. My
Not
chocolate
raspberry.
and vanilla did not taste like chocolate and vanilla. It tasted like brown and white. Cardboard and paper.
Cardboard is. I thought you were joking.
That's what I'm saying.
Cardboards are really good. That's sad. I'm still gonna eat it, but.
And this is my friend Billy.
And Billy.
And today we're going to be doing a puppet show, and it's called Cooking.
My name is Billy. My name is Billy. And that's Jimmy. And Jimmy is Barefoot Contessa. And I'm Golden Ramsey.
And action. Hello everybody, I'm the Barefoot Contessa. Today we're going to be making my own homemade mac and cheese.
Puppet.
Today we're gonna make our own homemade mac and cheese.
It's probably trash.
Gordon! Shut up! Gordon. What do we have? My own cooking show? And what are we happy? Why can't you wet me with?
Make the freaking mac and cheese.
Next step, we've cooked the pasta and now we add in the cheese.
Wrong. Can I say the line now?
Yeah, say the line.
You freaking gumdrop. You're.
She says you're a blithering idiot. You have to do the accent.
You freaking.
Mmm. Look what the barefoot contestant Gordon Ramsay cooked up. We got Sawyer, me, Dia, Zeph.
Am I missing something? I did it wrong.
I'm a little underwhelmed. These tattoos were like $7.
I forgot to take the plastic off.
Maple syrup. We had a jar just like this.
Look at this crushed glass. Look at the glass. Yeah. Give me Twilight vibes. But I think it'd be really fun to cook.
It is cool that we have a jar of beans back there.
Chest. But what's in the chest? A potato. That hammock is the prettiest thing I've ever seen in my life. But I don't have a place for a hammock, so I'm gonna send it off to the world and hope someone who deserves it gets it. Goodbye. We're on a mission. We're looking for Ed Sheeran.
We're looking so hard. Vlog, I'm happy to announce that I'm no longer single. It's finally happened. It only took 19 years, but I have a boyfriend, and he's so hot. Say hi, boyfriend.
Hi vlog.
Wow, he's shredded. Hello?
This is the president. This is about the Pope. No, okay, so Mr. President. He hung up. The Pope. Ring, ring, ring. Hello? Mr. President?
Hello? Barbara Streisand. The sun's a ball of butter? What does she want? Rain. What parade? What's the forecast say? This is a really advanced joke. I feel like only theater kids will get this. Do that face. So you coded. I see anything? Yeah, books.
And a couple up there too.
And also a hammock chair.
Ah.
You could be a whale shark.
I see that. Did anyone just hear a pirate?
Okay.
Wait! I just had a revelation. Captain's log, done by Sawyer. What is he captain of? The pirate ship.
Huh?
I'm cracking codes today. I'm cracking codes. You give Major skipper energy.
Oh, that's embarrassing.
When you want to get married, but you can't elope. I told my wife.
I knew it!
I love my wife. She's great.
I love your wife as well.
Whoa.
I told my wife she draws her eyebrows too high.
Uh-huh.
She looked surprised.
Oh! Whoa! That's a naked. That's a naked.
Yeah. You have to pan to Dia because Dia has the best reactions. I went to the bank the other day, and
The bank.
shut up!
Go to the bank.
I went to the bank the other day.
Uh-huh.
There was an old lady there, and she asked me to check her balance.
Uh-huh.
So I pushed her over.
Was there even a punchline yet?
Yes.
I didn't hear it.
She asked me to check her balance, so I pushed her.
over.
I didn't hear it because you were laughing so loud.
This is an original.
Uh-huh.
I'm not gonna laugh
If
at
I, if I were a deer in 2011, and you asked me what my favorite TV show was,
What's your favorite TV show?
I would say So You Think You Can Prance. So
You do yours and I'll do mine right now.
okay, if I were a deer in 2011 and you asked me what my favorite TV show was, I'd probably tell you So You Think You Can Prance.
If I was a deer in 2001, I'd tell you there's bigger things to worry about. It's September.
Do you get it? Okay.
You're not down with the wilderness like I am.
Oh yeah, I'm so down. I need a leaf.
I'd sit on a leaf.
What, you trying to hatch it? Like what?
No, like there's no toilet paper.
I didn't have any toilet paper, and I was in the wilderness because I'm so much more wilderness than you. I'd use a log because I'm rough like that.
And then, well, you can tune them all.
Me and the bros going to get lunch. That's literally me right now.
You're misbehaving. I ought to knock you out. That's good. That was
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. What if this was sentient and like this was its mouth and that's its eye and it's like an alligator's head like sideways and then he just like wakes up.
Swakes up. You look like you're riding a surfboard. Riding with my surfboard. Surfboard. Uh-oh. 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 I'm sinking. That's so pretty.
Here, can I give you this?
Yeah. Right? It's a cool beach.
Yeah.
They're shells.
These ones are rocks. And this one's a rock. And this one's a rock.
This one's a shell.
Yeah, and shell collection. My bad.
I'll let you clarify.
It's like sugar scrub.
It's like
That's pretty cool, doesn't it?
don't get our dogs.
Yeah, don't get the
So today we built the Skippy fort.
Well, first it was a skibbity sandcastle.
Listen, see this log, this fine piece of driftwood at the front?
There used to be two. We stacked them on top of each other, and it's really good. We stopped the water until we didn't, and the water got closer. We see those waves? We used to be underneath them. We used to own the spot. And it pushed us back, and it pushed us back so much. And it's still trying to get up on us. And we're just trying to see over there. See how it's white? See how it's Yeah, do I look like George Washington? And now I sing our anthem. She poop on my corpse like what?
Tour of our crib. Welcome to the skimming floor. We have some a step that's operational.
I'm currently displaying our other fully functional seats. That's my special place. Now, you have full reclining ability. Check this out. Feet up.
Okay, yeah. This is the life. Now, if you notice, we do have some security measures. We have some irrigation going on. You can't have a property like this, prime real estate, right on the water, without having some irrigation. We have been having a little bit of a flooding issue. It's not serious. It's actually pretty minimal. Again, for the location, you get what you get, and you know, this right here, that's our toilet. You can't have a skimmer without a toilet. Oh, prime example of how freaking incredible our toilet is. And guess what? You see those ships out there? Yeah, they're our enemies. And what are we going to roll with them? Reach into the bucket of dookie. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You see that? See that move action?
Pedaling is so lame. Why would I want to pedal when I have this thing? What the freak?